These are the GYEON leather cleaners. Both the strong and mild version are tested and safe on any type of modern automotive leather upholstery. You can use mild as daily maintenance product, but both mild and strong are safe for any pre-coating of your leather. Let's see how they work. Before you start using any of the leather cleaners, make sure your leather is free of any type of sand or leftovers. Then you can spray the leather cleaner into your brush and agitate the leather in a circular motion. Let it sit for a couple of seconds, wipe off with a damp microfiber cloth in a straight motion. Make sure you repeat the process if necessary. After this cleaning process, you're left with a factory fresh leather that is now ready for the optimum protection. You can choose leather coat or a ceramic-based leather shield, but keep in mind and remember in this cleaning process, less is more. Make sure before you start cleaning your leather, you have multiple bolt wipes ready because you don't want to spread all the dirt around on your leather. So be bold. Happy cleaning.